Hey everyone! The best part of working with DecoArt is that I get to experiment with the coolest products. And lately, I have been painting with their black light neon paints, and it is bringing out some serious 70s vibes. Remember those black light posters that everyone had in their rooms? They were three-dimensional and it looked like you could just reach right into them? Well, now you can create your own art and give everything that cool neon glow with these bright fluorescent paints. A simple project I've been working on is this forest scene using masking tape and a kitchen sponge. When you're done with it, just pop it under a black light and admire your work. Halloween is just around the corner too, so if you want to add some glow to your decor, these highly pigmented paints are just the ticket. They're multi-surface, so they work on tons of different projects. If you're looking for a way to add some groovy neon glow to your next crafty adventure, grab some DecoArt black light neon paints.